Opening an adult daycare in California isn't like opening a shop. Get the license model wrong, and your entire plan can fail. Licensing isn't a final step. It's the foundation that dictates who you serve, your services, staffing, and even your building layout. Demand in 2026 is real, but success follows the right license model. California offers 3 paths, each for a different level of care. First, ADP, the non-medical, social model for adults without significant medical needs. It's regulated by CDSS and is simpler than medical models, but still requires formal planning. Second, ADHC, the medical model. Licensed by CDPH, it requires nursing and therapy services, with stricter staffing and facility standards for higher acuity participants. And third, CBAS, a Medi-Cal certification added on top of an ADHC license. This offers steady revenue potential but adds complexity and requires local health plan approval. So what's the practical plan? Step 1. Contact the correct regulator, CDSS for ADP or CDPH for ADHC, and get the official application packet. Treat it as your roadmap. Next, verify local zoning, confirm fire safety, and prepare floor plans. Then, draft your staffing plan and write model-specific policies for everything from admissions to emergency procedures. Finally, create a detailed budget covering startup costs, wages, insurance, and at least 6 months of working capital. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't underestimate staffing and transportation costs. And remember, generic policies fail if they don't match your actual operations. Your 90-day plan is clear. Choose your model, contact the regulator, and use the application to guide your facility, staffing, and policy development. Want hands-on help? Visit www.carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.